Hey guys, this is Mila Volman from Mila Volman TV. How are you guys? So I'm taking a rest from one of my hikes because it's so nice and it's such a beautiful day. But before anything else, I would like to say hi to my mom and my family in the Philippines. Hi mom, this is Mila. Adi kalinglinglian ay man tumarsin agas mo. I said that before. Kumusta ka? Wadak is nan bantay. Colorado is manhahaykak. E di ano ay man ano ako mga na kaya man inumak si danom na ilak ay maya din ay ano ka ay man res-resak iso nga kanakanta manhayak ang sik So adi kalingigan ay man tumarsin agas mo. God bless mom. So that's a Kankanai dialect that I speak of. It's one of the dialect in Baguio City, Philippines, in the Cordillera. I grew up there and I was born there, so I know how to speak that language. And I said it in our dialect in Kankanai because my mom doesn't understand a lot of English. But I thought to take this video, especially now that it's a COVID-19, to remind us to exercise, go outside, and take a lot of hikes because that will really help your immune system. I saw this clearing and it's such a very, very nice place that I thought that maybe when I take this video and post it in YouTube, a lot of people will take or be encouraged to go outside and try to go for a hike, especially in such a very, very nice day. So I'm going to take my camera and want to show you a lot more of this view where I am trying to have a rest and take a snack. Here you go. There's a lot of butterflies. There you go. There's that guy who is hiking. A lot of trees. And there's a lot of rocks. So this hike is, I think, a 2-hour hike. So I am actually in the middle of it. So I thought I'd take a rest on this nice place. Or nice clearing, we should say. There you go. I saw one butterflies that flew away. These are dead trees. That's my backpack. I need to go get my backpack before anybody gets at it. Here's a bee. Oh, look at that bee. See the bee? So, let's go a little bit farther up. Just me in here. Oh, I think this used to be a small stream, but there's no water, unfortunately. There you go. These are some wild fruits. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a flower. There you go. So I just came in the middle of one of this, just went up high a little bit. One of this hiking resting place, but there's no trail. I hope nobody's going to come and murder me. I'm just kidding. I watch too much horror movies, I think. But it's good to explore in such a very nice sunny day. Oh, this tree died. Look at that. Oh, see that bird? So, as I said, this is probably a stream, but there's no water in it. It dried up probably. It's a big tree. There you go. So this one goes all the way up, but I'm not gonna go up there because it's scary. There might be a snake. So see that? This can go all the way up. A lot of pine trees. I'm so glad that everything is so green. There. All right, I'm gonna go back to the trail. I'm going down now, going down, going down. Going down, going down. Oh. See, there's a water that would go all the way down there. Going down, going down. There's a lot of pine tree cones that came down from all those pine trees. Okay, and then I would like to show you again all those wildflowers, guys, so that maybe it will encourage you to go out more and have a hike and exercise in the mountains. There you go. These are all wildflowers. There, wildflowers. And that's a cotton ball, I think. There's a lot of insect or maybe little butterflies that flying there. That's a butterfly. There you go. So hopefully, guys, this landscape will encourage you to go out more, as I said, because going out and having an exercise, as I said a while ago, is very, very good for your immune system, and it's really help you not to get any kind of viruses or any kind of bacteria. That's my own opinion, but I think in general, that's the case. Do you see all those butterflies that are flying? All right, there you go. Okay, thank you so very much. This is Mila Volman at Mila Volman TV. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye.